up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to delivery number 10, kit number 38 folks, yes, of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds, folks, yes. Now, remember, click this link all the way along here, pink, head over to the Fanhome website, hit that subscription button folks, and you too can be building your very own 1/8 large scale die-cast Eleanor folks. It really is a stunning precision model. You won't be disappointed. So what are we building today? Oh yeah, you ask. We are getting the first middle chassis section part today, okay, and you'll also have a little packet of DS02 screws, so we'll put them just there, and you would have received this section folks. Yeah, look at the size of that. And this is going to be joining on to your chassis that you had last week and putting in that midsection just before the transmission tunnel and all of that lot goes in. So we're going to be adding this today folks, so your footprint for your Eleanor is going to grow massively, so bear that in mind. If like me you're working in a bit of a confined space, now's the time to start thinking of getting a bigger bench. But anyway, simple instruction process. You'll just be dropping this onto your completed section from the previous issue, and then you'll be going around and securing it with DS02 screws folks, okay, all the way across the section there, same on the other side, and then you'll have a completed rolling middle chassis folks. I know it's not far along really for mounting all the front end, is it? Surprising how quick it's going, but that's what you're going to end up with, and I'm getting excited already folks. So I'm going to put the instructions just at the back. To hand, I've got me 2 screwdrivers, and I've also got my little oiler. Okay, so we'll be using that. Let's grab 4 of these screws. You'll have a spare, so keep hold of that. There you go, want those, and we'll drop the other one down there. It will come out, honestly. There you go. Okay, we'll get them all out then, shall we? There you go. Do that at the end. There you go. So that's what we want. A load of them. And that screwdriver there. And you'll want from your previous issues, you'll want the rolling section of Eleanor from the previous issues, folks. Okay? So that's what you'll be after. Let's just have a quick move around, just to move things out the way off the bench that are hindering me, just so that I can have a little bit more room to work in. There you go. I can now roll that just over there. So this is what you're going to be adding folks, and this is going to sit on these raised pins. There's 4 raised pins sticking up, and that will literally latch straight over the top of them and click into place, just like that. Okay, so if we grab our first screw, we can then do what I normally do, a single turn across the middle, and we'll start putting these in place. So I'll do the first one just there, like that, and we'll start letting them bite, just like that. Not too fussed about getting it fully home at this stage. I just want to hold this in place. Same process, drop of oil on the end, and then line that up. And again, just start turning the screw and letting it bite. I'll then spin it on its side so that I'm not putting any pressure and bow in the middle section when I tighten them up. But for the minute, I just want to get the screws started, like so. And by powers of deduction, this will be the last one to go in. Like that. Pink. And that'll go in all the way over there. Just like that. I'll just move my oil to one side, and I'm going to flip this now on its side, just so that I can pinch it together. Actually, if I do it that way, you'll see on the camera then what I'm up to. And I just want to pinch this down now, so that the screw sits proud, and I can start turning it home then. There you go. And that is now pulling that nice and taut. And then just work your way across the chassis and bring that fully home. And then spin it round and do the same the other side. Just work your way out from the middle to the edge. And I've got my fingers underneath supporting this section and pressing it up against this new section as I'm screwing down. And it'll just bring them two planes together then. And then that's now tightening the final screw, just like so. And as you can see, yeah, look at that. And then you've got another plastic insert similar to this that will then sit in here over the top, of the transmission tunnel. So you can see the posts there for that. But already that is beginning to look a substantial thing. I'm just going to turn it the other way around so you can see underneath. There you go. And you can see now that Eleanor is beginning to take shape. So there's the seat wells. That's where the bottom end of the engine and transmission is going to poke out. You'll then have your prop shaft going all the way down the middle. And then obviously you've got your licensing details and all of that lot underneath. So that's what we've got this stage, folks. So yeah, it's now becoming quite a large project. So we're going to wrap up there on this issue. Nice simple issue there for you to have a go at. Remember, folks, click this link all the way along there. Head over to Fanhome and subscribe, because now you're seeing how big this is getting. Deep down, I think you want one. But look at that. That's massive, isn't it? I'm going to need to put my camera on a different boom arm now so that I can get this all in shot. So, yeah, I'll be changing my setup for the next one, because we're getting to that stage now where Eleanor is beginning to take up a lot of room. So I want you to be able to get a clear shot of what I'm doing on this, folks. So until the next issue, stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on kit number 39, folks. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now. Bye.